Alas, poor Yorick, is that a tree, or a weddy boot and a fork before me? You tell me, on this fine day in the Prix de Biggerie, Herndals ventures out this fine day to dig up a tree. Oh my giddy aunt, that threw me! Who's that? An half-naked man. Oh, it's Monsieur Petroli! That it is. Oh my giddy aunt. We are planting a willow arbour. Yes, a large willow arbour. With contorted willows, yes, all twisted like me. So there he is with his Archimedes screw, drilling the holes as fast as could be. And signs go in with the trees. Oh, I'll let you into a little secret if you keep watching me. So, there we go, we drill a hole and plant a tree. And then another hole and plant another tree. And another hole and another hole. Oh my giddy aunt, there are so many holes. Oh, and there is a Wally. Oh, I love my little Wally. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Oh, saucy! If you're wondering what we're doing, we are planting trees here in France. Yes, we're doing a rewilding. We're planting 1,000 trees on 2 hectares of land. Oh my giddy aunt, what's he doing? Is he doing the John Cleese? Oh, I think he is, definitely. Yes, the John Cleese. A measuring technique, that it is. Wally is wondering what the hell is going on. Okay. Hello, Wally. He's such a lovely little boy, that he is. So it's not just the trees that we're planting, we're making bird boxes, bat boxes, hedgehog houses, and and other houses for little animals, little critters that we are. Because they need somewhere to live too, you know, habitats and all that. It's the local farms. They keep cutting down the flippin' trees. So what we're trying to do is plant more trees. With a little help from you. And what be part of that, there is a GoFundMe link down below where you can have your own tree, with a sign with your name on or in memory of a loved one, if you like. Links in the description, that they are. Oh, saucy. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 trees in our arbour. What do you think about 53 new trees in our arbour, darling? Everyone can see your derriere.
Yeah, 53 new trees. I think we need another 53 somewhere.
And then another 53. And then another 53. And eventually, we might meet our goal of 1,000 trees on 2 hectares of land. Yeah, and you can be a part of that, you know. And you know what? There's something else we're doing as well. Not just arbours and planting trees on their own, like over there and stuff, and in the other field. We're also planting trees together, like a couple. Yeah, they're like love trees, aren't they, darling? Like us. Oh, we like love trees, darling. No? Is that convincing enough? No? Oh, okay. Well, anyway, like love trees. We'll plant 2 trees together, and we will entwine them. We will entwine the trees, darling, won't we? So they become one tree. So it would be quite nice. In memory of a loved one, maybe your parents or what have you. Well, there's a GoFundMe link down below. And you'll be a part of the project. Have your own tree, with your own sign to go with the tree. And yes, I've got a laser printer now, so I can be printing these signs as well as using a router or even pyrography. Whatever comes to hand, I suppose. Well, for now. Toodaloo.
While the sun goes down over the horizon, Monsieur Petroli enjoys a glass of white wine. Or so he thought.
Toodaloo.